Welcome to the Painting Hyun's channel. I'm Painting Hyun. Thank you so much for taking time out of your busy schedule to improve your painting skills. I'm going to paint this adorable white balloon flower and shadow of it. Today, I'm going to focusing in shadow. Before we start to paint, please subscribe if you haven't yet and hit the like button. So this position, I'm decided. So I'm shooting a video my art studio now. My spot is far from the window, so I took a picture outside. Here we go. You can see the shadow of the flower clearly and surely. Okay, shall we start? This position, you can see the very clearly. Okay, as you can see, I'm going to using leaf green, sap green, ultramarine deep, and magenta. Let me sketch it first, and then we are gonna paint with these colors. Start by sketching. Draw over the size of a flower here, and draw another oval, and draw stem to start from here. Draw slightly curve. Make sure the shape of the flower and build up some detail. Draw each petals and the inside. Yeah, here this is the stemon. So draw a few stemon here. Small leaf here and small buzz. Okay, this is a shadow. So light source is coming from the left top hand side. That's why the shadow is lower right side. Ensure the shape and cleansing up the pencil lines, and wet the paper over flower petal. And I'm making and preparing color for flower petals from light green and mid green and dark green. Apply light leaf green on the petal as a first layer. Blend lightly and softly. And then mixing sap green and ultramarine deep and magenta. And I'd like to get dark green. Put it on the center of the flower. It will look deeper. Draw tiny leaf here. I'm using all greenish color overall. Start light green, mid green, and dark green. For the stem, start by watery leaf green first and give it a bit depth with a mixture of sap green and magenta. And I'm using ultramarine deep. I'm take a very little bit of thick and strong color. This is leaf green mix a sap green color. Draw the stem line nicely. I mixed magenta and uh, a little bit of the ultramarine dip. So I put it on the stem and the leaf area. Today's topic is little simple. I used leaf green and a little bit dark green, and then also I mixed ultramarine and sap green, so I got very thick green color. Now I'm adding some magenta color put on the stem area. I built the shape with the shadow color. I'm just touching the edge of the petal area. I want to ensure the shape, flower's shape. Finally, for the background, I'm going to wet the paper of the shadow area. However, I don't want to use too much water. What do I mean by that? I'd like to make a soft brush stroke, not a dry brush stroke. It seems it's kind of a dreamy color. I mixed ultramarine deep and magenta, so I got some of purple color. I'm trying to on shadow, yeah, this bluish purple color. In my reference photo, you can see the shadow spot clearly, and yeah, so draw it almost a similar shape with the flower. But the shadow shape is not uh, exactly same the flower shape. Finally, I'm splattering with ultramarine deep and leaf green and magenta color. It will look natural. I'm adding some leaf green on the shadow part. I'm splattering again for on the shadow. Okay, we are all done today's painting. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye.